What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community on YouTube and watch some of your favorite car YouTubers and even the smaller channels as well. So hopefully there might be a channel out there that you might like, or a video that you haven't seen yet that I've covered. If you like this kind of stuff, guys, do get involved. I like you comment below, hit a like. Even better, or it'd be dope if you smash the subscribe button, because the bigger we get, the closer we can get to getting a project car. And I want to turn this kind of channel into a talk show. If you're interested on coming on the actual channel to talk about your favorite car YouTubers, hit me up on my Instagram, let me know, we can just do a Zoom call or something like that. In the meantime, what we're going to be covering today, we're going to be covering S-Spot, we're going to be covering Yiannimize and DDE and a few others, so we'll just jump straight into it. And the first person on the card is going to be Yiannimize. They have just released a video today covering them wrapping a Bugatti Chiron in a chrome blue. I know chrome blue has been one of those colors that was cool at the very start when chromes came out, and now a lot of people are kind of going, you know, it shouldn't be done. But in its defense, I think it came out pretty cool. It suits the shape of the Chiron. I mean, look, you could wrap a Chiron in any color you wanted. It'd be brown shit for all I care, and it would still look unbelievable because of the shape of it, and it's a Chiron Sport at the end of the day. I mean, you could have went red chrome, but look, blues is a pretty nice color. If I was going in chrome colors, I like the turquoise one that Yiannimize had on his Aventador. That color, I like the satin chrome from Stradman, maybe even a dark chrome or pearl white would be kind of colors I would like. But I mean, look, it's a Chiron at the end of the day. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below what you think of the blue chrome wrap on the Chiron. It's for advertising purposes, but it was just cool to see. It's something different and pretty nuts the way they knocked that out actually in 24 hours. That is crazy for the amount of work they did to get that done. And I really like it. No complaints on my end. Looks pretty cool. But I'm interested to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below about this one indeed. Next on the list, guys, is going to be Matt Armstrong. So Matt Armstrong, if you don't know who he is, because a lot of my viewers are from the States or from the UK, he is from the UK. His car channel, again, he takes, he has an R8 and a Maserati. He fixes them up and modifies them and stuff like that. His R8, he has finally gotten an Army Tricks exhaust for his R8. If we ever get big enough to get an R8 to modify in this channel, guys, trust me, I will do it, and I will do it pretty like overly heavy modified. But one exhaust system I was considering would be an Army Tricks exhaust, and you can see why. When he put this exhaust system on the R8, I was blown away by it. I love the way you can turn the valves on and off. It sounds awesome. So here's just a quick clip for you guys of the Army Tricks exhaust system on Matt's R8.
First mode is beast mode. Neighborhood mode.
There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Is there another exhaust system that you prefer on your R8 that sounds better? I really think the Army Tricks one is a very, very good choice. You can see why I think Stradman and Goonzsquad use Army Tricks a lot. They are a very, very good company. I would definitely consider them myself if I even ever got one, so definitely check out his channel, guys. He does some good builds, and his channel is pretty much fun as well, and I do like the way he modifies the car, and the color he has wrapped his R8 is pretty interesting as well, so go check out his channel. Next on the list, guys, is going to be DDE. So DDE, one of the recent videos came out was they were buying a budget supercar for, we don't know yet, we haven't found out who the supercar is for. It's a Gallardo. It is an all-wheel drive Gallardo. It was wrapped in Miami blue. Now, guys, this episode is going to be a lot of blue cars in it. It just seems the way the videos I've watched have had blue cars in them, especially Miami blue. Miami blue seems to be all the rage at the moment. I don't know what it is, but in fairness, it's a lovely colour. It really does stand out, and it does seem to be a lot of colour of choice going around at the moment. I love it on the Gallardo. Miami blue with gloss black wheels is so sweet. I would definitely consider wrapping a car Miami blue a supercar because it stands out so nice. I really like it. They are modifying it, doing a few engine mods, so I'm not too sure. But I just want to bring it to your attention because I really love the wrap on this car, and the interior was really nice as well. I think they got for 100,000, maybe less. Next on this, guys, as we said, is going to be F-Spot. So F-Spot has his recent video. He is basically his friend Lamborghinis. He owns a manual Murcielago that has a really sweet exhaust on it. He's gone away, and after buying an Aventador, he basically, with F-Spot's V12 S600, he paid $12,000 for a company in Japan called Brilliant Exhaust. That's where he gets his very high-pitched noise on his S600. He's been going on at his friends saying, look, you got to get a Brilliant exhaust. They are well worth the money. And his friend Lamborghinis has gone away and bought one for the Aventador. Now, when he did say in his video, like, when he said this, like, a lot of people say they have the best exhaust system for the Aventador, and you see that on a lot of channels. You've heard some unbelievable Aventador exhaust, but I probably would say this is definitely up there, or if not the best sounding exhaust system on an Aventador I have ever heard. So without further ado, guys, here you go. Here's just a quick clip of his insane exhaust. And there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of that exhaust system. This guy in Japan knows what he's doing. I think money well spent. That thing sounds unbelievable. Absolutely one of the best sounding Lamborghinis out there. I love it. It's so raspy and high pitched. It's ridiculous. Just love it. I just can't get over how good that exhaust system is, and I'm presuming that guy is very well happy that he listened to Gordon about getting an exhaust system. So comment below, guys, let me know, would you get one of these exhaust systems if you had a Lamborghini below. Last but not least on this, guys, is going to be RDBLA. I usually always cover these guys because they just do such good work on cars. And as I said, this video was going to be a lot of blue cars in it. And once again, we have another Miami blue Lamborghini. So this one, the guys in RDBLA, a guy purchased, it's a regular Murcielago. Now this isn't an SV, it's just got an SV body kit on it. So this guy bought this Murcielago, I think it's a 2004. I think it was in pretty rough condition. If you check out the video, it was in pretty bad condition. He bought this knockoff, really poor SV kit for around under $10,000 as well. I did see one or two before online that were like 25 to 26,000 knockoff, and a real one is around $90,000. So this guy did pretty well. RDBLA really didn't want to go at it, but he basically, I'm presuming he paid them a pretty penny because the whole kit had to be redone, refixed, fitted. The car basically slammed, new wheels, wrapped in this Miami blue, and it came out unbelievable. I just can't get over how nice this car is. Like, I know it's not a real SV, but let's be honest, guys, it's a Murcielago at the end of the day. The more I see Miami blue, the more I'm falling in love with it. Vehicle versions, Parker has it on his Evo. The only thing I don't like about this car is the wheels. I absolutely hate these wheels. They're disgusting. I do not like them on the car one bit whatsoever, in my own personal opinion. I would have went with just the gloss black. I hate the cream and those multi spokes. They're just not for me. But the rest of the car is sick. He had it satin black underneath and the bottom of the bumper and the back of it. Me personally, again, if it was me modifying it, I would have wrapped them in gloss carbon fibre. Maybe would have thrown on side skirts onto it as well, and it would have been perfect in my eyes, what I would have done. But it's still a beautiful car at the end of the day, and Fab Speed exhaust is well needed on that car also. But I want to hear from you guys in the comments below what you think of the Miami Blue on the Murcielago. Do you watch RDBLA? I love the way they do cars, and I'm pretty impressed the way this came out, apart from the wheels. But look, it is what it is. It's just my opinion. So that is it for today, guys. That is everything for today's video. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you don't mind. Even better if you want to be a subscriber and help the channel out. And do comment below, and I will write back to you. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and bye.